Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you what was created by Opencart developers in their new version, Opencart 3. Let's start. First of all, they added a twig templater into Opencart 3. All template files were converted to twig files, and it means that you have to change your code according to new rules and convert your template files as well. There is a online converter for PHP to twig files. You can see a link on this screen. I tried to use two converters and this one works very good. Next, the Opencart 3 introduced restrictions for file locations in your store on the server. The files can be uploaded to specific directories only. You can see a list of the directories on the screen. They are taken from the Opencart code, so mostly you have to place all extension files into admin controller extension or admin model extension. That means your files will be uploaded into deeper directories and the path to them will be quite long. Here is an example how your path will look like in the new format. Maybe newer versions of Opencart will use namespaces. It's quite obvious thing, but at the present time there is no namespace and all code works under the same global namespace. The next change I noticed is changing the token to user token. I don't know why they did it. It does not make any sense for me, but it brought some problems for me to find these elements and replace them in the file. But it's okay. Maybe there was some wise thought. The last thing which I would like to notice is requirements for the cloud platform. They were described by the lead developer of Opencart and published on the official Opencart forum. Let's examine them one by one. The first requirement is about making changes to the database. Developers are not allowed to modify any database tables created by Opencart itself. I believe that this requirement is dictated by a need to protect Opencart tables on the cloud solution. As long as you don't support the cloud platform, you can ignore this requirement. And actually, I personally do not want to support the cloud at the present time, because I think Opencart is not ready for the cloud. Maybe I will adapt my extensions to the cloud later. The second point is about overwriting any files. This point is absolutely right. I followed it from the very beginning, and it was a good practice to prevent overwriting any files in the Opencart. It's not about the cloud actually, it's about any extension for Opencart. The third point, all files are only allowed to be written in extension folders. This point is okay. It makes some limitations to developers, but actually it is also a good practice to place your extension files to specific directories only. I agree with it. The fourth point is about adding a new configuration page in the admin area. I don't think this is necessary, but actually I don't understand this point. If the extensions does not have any settings, then why does it need a configuration page? Maybe it's about installing and uninstalling the extension. It should support this standard action. The fifth point is for prefixes for extensions. A new category prefix should be added to each extension. I think this is for the cloud also, and I don't think that it is necessary for other extensions which are just for a downloadable Opencart version. That is all for today. If you have your comments, or if you noticed anything interesting in Opencart free, feel free to post your comments under this video. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.